Today we are looking at trouble code P2009 on Mazda vehicles, what it means, the causes, and how to fix it. What it means. P2009 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Circuit Low. Bank 1. This means the ECU is detecting a weak or low signal from the actuator that controls the intake manifold runner flaps. When it fails, you may notice poor acceleration, rough idling, or reduced fuel economy. Common causes include. The common causes of this code are 1. A faulty Imrc actuator or solenoid. 2. Wiring or connector problems, damaged, loose, or corroded. 3. Carbon buildup inside the intake manifold, making the flap stick. 4. A bad Imrc position sensor, or in rare cases, an ECU fault. To fix it, start by checking the wiring and connectors. Next, inspect the Imrc actuator to make sure it moves freely. Clean the intake manifold runners if carbon buildup is present. Test the actuator with a scan tool or multimeter, and replace it if it's faulty. Finally, clear the code and take the vehicle for a road test.